Hey guys, working on a 98 Outback Legacy. I'm assuming you guys are very familiar with this right here. It's glass. This protective cover really doesn't do anything for it. And they do break a lot. We do sell a lot of these, believe it or not, here at SSP. So I'm going to show you guys how to change this out in a matter of minutes. Don't need any lifts, or we have it up on the lift so it's easier to show you guys, but there's no reason to not be able to just do it on the ground at home in your garage or even in your driveway. If you can bring the camera closer, there's two number 10s sitting right up here. I don't know if you can see it. You can grab a wrench and just wrench these 10s, or you could be lazy like me and grab a drill and pop. There's just two number 10s. They might be rusted from water. Man, that one came out not the way I wanted to. That's from rust. This should come out like this. It just came out with the rusted bolt. Those two come out. Man, this is going to be rough. There's a pin back here. Let me show you guys on this side. After you take those two bolts out, see, this one's broken over here too. The two bolts that go up here, you pull those out. If you pull on this like this and wiggle it, this pin right here, stick into the fender into the bumper right here, is the only thing holding it down here. So even if you stick your hand from back here underneath the car and kind of just push right here on the fog light, it will come out. And then going back in, obviously put a new one, not the old one, back in. You can kind of just get in there, and from here you can see. There you go. See how it clipped in, and you put your two 10s back in, and it holds like that, and then you can feel it's in. If you pull on it hard enough, well, I don't want to cut my fingers, but let me pull it back out. Stick your hand back here. I'm showing you, just push on the bottom. You see where my fingers are at? If you just push right here, pop it out of here. Simple. Unplug it. Just push this pin right here. Pull this thing out. This is just a rust bucket. You can spray some WD-40 in here if you want to keep, lubricate and rust. Grab your new fog light you hopefully purchased from us, and plug it back in. And if you want, I'd probably leave it hanging and go test the light bulb before you put it back together. And then, just be careful not to scratch any of this stuff. If you're really worried about scratching all this stuff, put some tape around the edges so you don't, you nick it and stuff. I don't care for the bumper. This car is a parts car, so we're just gonna slowly slide it in, and then just push it. You can feel it clip into the spot. And then just put your two 10s back in. I'll go ahead and put them in just so you see it. I would probably do it by hand first, so you don't screw it up. Once they're both in by hand, go ahead and there you go. Hopefully it just looks better than this. And that's how you replace the fog light, left to right. We started on that side, but the bolt got stripped into the reinforcing bar. Hopefully yours isn't. If it is, you're gonna have to take the bumper off and proceed from there. All right, that's it.